everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi princesses, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing with some epic slime. My slime, so we're going to be playing my beautiful slime. My green slime that I made a couple days ago, and I kept it nice and neat finally for the first time in forever. Sorry, I didn't have my phone on me the whole time. Sorry about this light. This light is horrible, so horrible. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I got this green goopy slime. I had put foil beads in it, like foil beads. I wanted the micro ones, but I didn't want to like get them everywhere. So I got the little big ones. I put glitter in here. I put these square little glitters in the hearts. But yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna show you guys how I crunch my slime. I'll poke my slime, color my slime. Yeah, sorry I wasn't uploading because I didn't have a phone with me while I was out. I wasn't in town. Sorry about the background. They were watching a movie right now with mom in the kitchen, as y'all can see. Okay, that's enough. Hey, stop cursing! You want this line? You want it? You want it, Mama? You can't have it, though. Go back at me. Bye. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. You can't have it, Mama. Your mom called you, yeah. Mama, you can have some. Calm down. Mama, calm down. Come on. Okay, guys, so she left. My phone is on 10%, so I'm gonna go charge her in a couple minutes. But I'm just saying all this. Well, and this YouTube video might be short. And tell me, did y'all have school today? You guys, tell me in the comments down below. Did y'all have school today? And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I need a lot of likes on this video. Yeah, I hope y'all know. Did y'all see the other video? He mad? Is he mad? Yeah, he was mad, but I couldn't upload the other video because it was technical difficulties. But if I did, I don't know. I don't know if I uploaded the video or not, but here this crunch. That's a good crunch. Okay, guys. Okay, so my head started hurting after a while. My head stopped hurting. Hold on, wait. I'm trying to figure out where the sticky is at. So my head stopped hurting after a while, and look what I can do, y'all. Look what I can finally do. I do that a lot now because it feels good. Yeah. gonna show you guys in the next video. I'm gonna show you my clothes that I got. Mama, what's the matter? What's wrong? Y'all know you're supposed to be having this. Yeah, guys, so I got this nice one. And like I said, I can put my. Oh my goodness, did y'all see that? Oh my god. Phone broke. Oh no.
What about the bullet say?
I don't know. Yeah, my little brother said he don't want to make a YouTube channel more because he don't want to make a YouTube channel no more because it's too hard. And I think he's not gonna do no more videos, but after this, so yeah. Make sure you go see my cousin Spaz. Not with an A, but with an X. Spaz. Not with an A, but with an X, okay? So yeah, and I have this beautiful sun cream. I'm about to go get the rest. I'm about to go see if I can get a little bit more. So you guys are ready to see my whole salon all together? Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to put y'all at a better view. So I know them Sour Patch Kids thing. Them Sour Patch Kids cereal. Them nasty. We tried them today. Somebody liked them. My little sister, she liked them. So I don't like them because they're nasty. They just don't poke very well, but it's okay. I still love it. I want to do the swirl. I'm trying to do the swirl. Okay, so sorry about the background. As I said it again, sorry about the background again. They're watching a movie or a comedy show, whatever. I don't know. With Kevin Hart, as you can hear probably. Yeah. Yeah, but sorry about the background again. My little brother's yelling for no reason. Somebody made this beautiful swirl. Ooh, this is cute. So I'm about to turn the camera around. Look at that. Okay, beautiful. As y'all can hear, is that crunch. I'm about to see what percent my phone is, and if it's on like 5, then I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna go charge my phone, okay? And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video with my slime again because my phone is dead. Yeah, in a couple of hours. So yeah, I heard that crunch. Okay, yeah. Oh snap! Sorry, guys. And it's still crunchy, it's so satisfying. So you guys, I'm gonna do a story time right now. So, you know how like satisfying first came up and stuff? Yeah, satisfying. I used to hate the word satisfying so much that everything that says satisfying, I would stop watching it. That's how much I hated satisfying. People say satisfying. Yeah. I put this big bead in here for no reason. Yeah, about the satisfying stuff. See that big bead? About the satisfying stuff. I hated that word satisfying. And then, like, after, like, everybody started saying, oh, this is oddly satisfying. I'm like, oh, yeah, it is satisfying. Then I was like, did I just say satisfying? Like, really? Did I just say satisfying? And they was like, yeah, you just said satisfying. And I was like, I hate the word satisfying, though. He was like, but you said it. And then I started liking the word satisfying. And then I used to call everything satisfying. That was satisfying. There goes my little sister. Y'all see that green box up there? That's the Sour Patch Kids box. I don't. Come on. you guys. Look at this, you guys. Look. Sorry about the mess in the background. And if y'all haven't seen the cereal of the box, the Sour Patch Kids, here is one of them on my counter. And I gotta clean my counter off now. Here's one of them. They're so disgusting. Y'all probably like, Naya, taste it, Naya, taste it. Y'all really want me to? Okay. Fine, I'll taste it. Oh! So I gotta get another one then. Pink one. Y'all really thought I was gonna eat this? Psych, don't judge a book by its cover. Trippin'. I wasn't gonna eat that. But comment down below if you want me to eat a bowl of it. I'll do a challenge. It's really nasty. No, really like disgusting. Yeah, I just found the hair sitting on my counter. That was gross. So I'm gonna attempt to make a bubble. I put them out! That's my little brother. He's from... I put them out! You know this going on YouTube, right?
I don't care.
So can you leave me alone?
I'm savage.
I'm about to go. I'm about to leave. Like really, he's irking me. He's so annoying. He's the most annoying brother that I ever seen. And I dislike all his videos. Y'all That's not funny, Mama. You pulling on my hair. That's why you about to get down. Get down. So y'all, this is my little sister. She about to play with the slime now. Y'all can't see her face. Y'all see it now. She just got the big bead. You wanna get down? Wanna get down? Yo, it's just kind of funny. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, so bye. Toodaloo. I wanna see Salila again. Mama, you yanking on my hair now just so you can get up here? Okay, come on. Naya, say bye.